Hi, hello friends, welcome to World Explorer India. Today on 20 May 2021, we are celebrating World Bee Day. Theme of the year is Be Engaged, Build Back Better for Bees. In this video, I am going to discuss about apiculture in India. Disclaimer: all information in this presentation is to be used for educational purposes only. User discretion is needed and advised to do thorough research for decisions. All the resources are given as bibliography and can visit them for further information. Every year we are celebrating this day as World Bee Day. This is because of the efforts of government of Slovenia with the support of UN General Assembly to declare the 20 May as World Bee Day. World Bee Day started from the year of 2018. This is the timeline which is leading to the World Bee Day. 20 May 2018, first observance of World Bee Day has been seen all over the world. These are some of the facts and figures. All the crops need pollinators. Majority of the cash crops need pollinators. So honeybees are playing a vital role in the pollination. Pollination is very essential for production of fruits and vegetables. So honeybees are playing a vital role in this pollination. Food and Agriculture Organization is playing a leading role in facilitating and coordinating this International Pollinators Initiative. Biodiversity Day on 22nd May 2021. If there is no trees, there is no bees, no honey, no honey, no money. Sustainable Development Goals 15, that is life on land. 1 million animal and plant species are threatened with extinction. This goal is focusing on sustainably managing forests, combat desertification, halt and reverse degradation, and halt the biodiversity loss. Honey as a dowry is being given in Oziak traditional weddings. These are the indigenous people living mainly in Kenya's Mau and Mount Elgon's forests. Stupa of Muzaffarpur. Here in India, Vaishali Stupas, where we have seen that monkey is offering honey to the Lord Buddha while he left from the home. This we can find in some of the spiritual books. Ludhiana is hub of honey in India and center for amber evolution. Ludhiana is exporting honey to USA and Germany. ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, beekeeping research stations is present in Himachal Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. All the information you can find in aicrp.icar.gov.in and All India Coordinated Research Project on Honeybees and Pollinators, AICRP, HB&P, and Agritech Tamil Nadu University. You can find the courses on apiculture which are free and also paid. L.L. Langstroth is the father of modern beekeeping and he has written a book that is The Classic Beekeeper's Manual. Bees are the hardest working creatures on the planet which benefit the people, plants and environment and help in pollination and enable the production of an abundance of fruits, nuts, seeds and contributing to the food security and nutrition. Honeybees importance. Honeybees belong to the animal kingdom of phylum Arthropoda, order Hymenoptera, class Insecta, superfamily Apoidea, family Apidae, genus Apis, and there are number of species available and majorly known species are Apis dorsata, that is giant honeybee, Apis laboriosa, darker giant honeybee, Apis florea, dwarf honeybee, Apis cerana and Apis mellifera. Indian, we have two different types of species, that are domesticated species and wild species. In domesticated we see Apis cerana, that is Indian or Asian honeybee, Apis mellifera, European honeybee. And wild species Apis dorsata, rock honeybee, Apis florea, dwarf honeybee. Income prospects: if we are able to cultivate 100 honeybee colonies, it can give income approximately 50,000 to 2 lakh rupees per annum. Bees communication: this is widely researched. Bees communicate with each other by drumming feet, flapping wings, and dance, that is around dance, to convey that there is nectar available in less than 100-meter area, and they are doing waggle dance if they have to go more than 100-meter. So these two type of dances are characteristic of the bees. And there is a queen bee which is using the pheromones to attract the drones for mating, and also these pheromones are essential for them to keep a unity. If there is any intruder bee is coming into their colony, they are going to attack that bee. If there is no world without bees, because there is no nutrition food, but nowadays we are using a lot of pesticides in agriculture, and because of climate changes, life has become problem for the bees. So it is very essential to grow the flowering plants and to teach the future generation about the importance of the bees. World Bee Day is celebrated every year on this day to celebrate the birthday of Anton Jansa, Slovenian beekeeper, pioneer of modern apiculture. And you can see the stamp in the top right corner, and he has written 2 books which are published in 1771 and 1775. So in 2018, first observation of World Bee Day has been celebrated. This year theme is Be Engaged, Build Back Better for the Bees. World Bee Day has Save the Bees, which is the initiation of Food and Agriculture Organization. And this is to achieve the global cooperation to cover threats posed by the COVID-19 pandemic to food security and agricultural livelihoods, alongside prioritizing environmental regeneration and pollinator protection. In a bee colony, you can see there is more than 10,000 to 60,000 bees. Again, in this we can see 3 types of bees in every colony. First is the queen bee. There is only one queen for each colony, which is very fertile, and it can lay eggs approximately 1500 to 2000 eggs per day and this is having very long lifespan of 3 to 5 years, and it can be identified by long slender body, short wings. Queen is the only one which feeds on the royal jelly, and it has a sting, but it uses only against the rival queens, but not for the protection of the colony. Drones are male. These are around 100 which is present in a colony. These are bigger than the workers. These develop from the unfertilized eggs. They mate with the queen. Drones are stingless, but they are having very large eyes. They are able to produce buzzing noise when they fly, and they depend on the workers for the food. They are having 2 months of lifetime. If there are more than 200 to 500 drones, it leads to food shortage, and workers chase the drones out to die. Workers, there are more than 1000 workers. Sterile female, if they are young, they will clean the hive and feed both young and queen bees. If they are older, they will scout for the food and collect pollen, nectar, water and propolis. These have sting and special glands to defend against enemies. These, if they defend while defending the enemies, if they sting, they are going to die after some point of time. So, and again, workers are responsible for the honey formation process. These are having 7 to 8 weeks of lifespan during the flowering season, because they work hard, and they may live longer period during the dormant periods. These are the life stages of the bee: egg, larva, pupa and adult. So worker bee will take around 21 days, queen will take 16 days, and drone will take 24 days to develop into an adult. These are the bees which I have collected from this website, which I have mentioned. Some of the bee enemies are present. These are birds, ants, spiders, man, lizards, pesticides, cattle, mice and fungus. Honey is having very high nutritional value. It contains vitamins and minerals which are very essential for the body, and also the amino acids. These are the largest consumers of honey. Central African Republic is very high, that is 9.62 grams per capita, and followed by New Zealand, Slovenia, Greece, Switzerland, Austria, Turkey, Ukraine, Slovakia and Montenegro. Propolis is the resin which is present around the new buds of the trees or plants. This is helpful for the repair of the hive, which is having the antibiotic, antifungal and antibacterial characteristics. So even if a bee is going to die inside this hive, these workers are going to roll the died bee into this propolis, because of which that will not smell or rot. And propolis is even in use for human for treatment of wounds, skin disorders, cough, cold and also treats stomach ulcers. Next is pollen. Pollen is collected by the worker bees by the legs of the bee. When they are sitting on a flower, they collect these pollens these are called as pollen baskets, and when they are moving into another flower, some of the pollen are being dropped on the other flower, which is helpful in cross pollination. This is how the pollination is going to take place with the help of the bees. And again, beeswax is used in combs, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, candles, shoe polish, skin ointments and also for mending the cracked pots, etc. This will cost around 3 to 5 US dollar per kg. On Indian rupees it is 400 to 700 rupees per kg. Bee wax is used in cosmetic preparation, pharmaceuticals, perfume industry, lip balm, body lotions and massage bars. Next is the royal jelly. Again, this is very expensive product. It is a whitish liquid secreted by the young bees. Queen bee feed on the royal jelly. Royal jelly feed gives sufficient nutrition to the queen bee, making it to survive longer periods and also make it fertile to lay the 1500 eggs per day, and its immune system is very high, so the queen bee can live for a longer period of time. Bee venom, it is very poisonous. Sting predators or enemies, and bee venom is having anti-inflammatory, and again it is used for the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis, neuralgia, high blood pressure, high cholesterol and multiple sclerosis. It is again used in the creams, soaps and ointments. Apiculture is not being practiced by many of the people because of afraid of these bee stings, but not all the bee sting is poisonous, so we should be able to identify which bees are poisonous and which bees are not. And if the persons are having already allergy to bee stings, they should avoid the apiculture. Bee venom again used for the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis, nerve pain, multiple sclerosis, tendonitis, fibromyositis, and royal jelly used for anti-tumor and antioxidative properties. Pollinators, honeybees are the ambassadors of pollinators, and apart from honeybees there are other pollinators like moths, flies, wasps, beetles and butterflies. Non-mammals like monkey, rodents and birds, hummingbirds, sunbirds, etc. Apiary is a location of beehives or the bee colonies. So if you want to have a good agricultural practice in apiary, it should be near to the flowering trees within 3 kilometers radius and away from the people and animals, away from sunlight during hotter day, but they are exposed to sunlight in the morning, and they are near to the cash crops in need of pollination. Apiculture is cultivating apis, that is bees, and apiculture is the science and practice of beekeeping. Bees live in a society. They are having queen, drones and worker bees, so they live in a society. They also defend, they also die after stinging. Worker bees die after the stinging. If you are interested in developing business around this, it is a very good thing, but if you are very well versed with good agricultural practices and good beekeeping practices. 100 bee colonies worth profit approximately 4 lakh rupees per annum in India. Protect pollinators. Nowadays air pollution is having a lot of effect on the bees, so beat air pollution to protect the bees. CBTRI, that is Central Bee Research and Training Institute, which is in Pune in Maharashtra state of India, which is established in the 1962, and KVIC, Khadi and Village Industries Commission, both are promoting the bee cultivation in India. These are some of the initiatives by the Indian government. Pollination support through National Horticulture Mission, National Bee Board under Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Family Welfare, promoting the scientific beekeeping. And there are 16 integrated bee development centers at Bihar, Manipur, Haryana, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Jammu Kashmir, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Himachal Pradesh and West Bengal. Honey testing lab is started in Anand, Gujarat by National Dairy Development Board. National Beekeeping and Honey Mission, you can find out majority of the details related to apiculture. These are all the organizations which are involved in working with beekeeping in India, and majorly you can see FSSAI, APEDA, BIS, ICAR. These are the messages for today. Sustainable development of agriculture through pollination support, importance in the human life, environmental sustainability, maintaining biodiversity, generating income and employment, and adoption for the livelihood. If bees disappeared from the surface of the globe, the man would only have 4 years of life left. No more bees, no more pollination, no more plants, no more animals, and no more man. This is the statement given by Albert Einstein. Apiculture is focusing on decreasing the poverty and support the SDGs number 2 and 15. These are the bibliography from which I have taken the information: nbb.gov.in, nddb.coop, National Beekeeping and Honey Mission, nbhm.gov.in, fao.org. If you like this video, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.